So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik cube. Okay, this is a spring Rubik cube. Okay, so I will show you how to solve it. First of all, you have to remember that this center part of a Rubik cube is fixed. Only this one rotate, this rotate. Center part is always fixed. You have to remember some notation. This is right prime, up prime, left prime, down prime, front prime. Okay, remember the notation. Right prime, up prime, left prime, down prime, front prime. Okay, you have to remember the notation. Okay, now you have to choose a center part. For example, I'm choosing blue. Okay, I'm choosing blue, so I have to make this side all blue and its opposite side is green. Okay, now I have to make this pattern. First I will show you which pattern I am talking about. Okay, I have to make this pattern on the opposite side of a pattern which I am choosing. Okay, this pattern is this pattern. Now you have to make sure with this blue color here is matching color. Okay, if there is not matching color, then you simply have to move to matching color and then matching color, then rotate to blue side. Okay, similarly for this matching color, rotate to blue side, matching color and rotate to blue side, matching color and rotate to blue side. Then first of all you have to make this pattern. Okay, I'm choosing this side. You can choose any side if you want to. Which side you have preferred, you can choose any side. Okay, I am choosing this side. So first of all I am making this plus sign. Now with these two sides same color. Okay, now I'm looking for blue. So for example, this one is blue is here. So now I am going to make give you a shortcut. If you have this pattern, and this pattern, and here is a blue which you want to put here, then you have to follow a rule which is set right up or right prime. First rule. Okay, right up right prime. Okay, blue part move to, if you have this type of pattern, this and blue inside, then you have to follow this pattern. Second, left up left prime. Okay, left up left prime. Okay, I'm solving this side also. Okay, now we have to find another similar pattern and blue in this side. For that, here is blue, so I am moving this blue to. Okay, so similar pattern, and we have to formula 1, right up right prime. Where is blue? So blue is here. This one left side, so second pattern, left up left prime. Okay, so I have already solved this pattern, this side all blue, and first layer is solved. Now I have to solve this second layer. Okay, for that let's begin. Okay, you can see this color is matching. So we need here red and white. Okay, we look for it, red and white. Move to here. Okay, if you want to put this on here, then you have to follow pattern. First of all, okay, let me tell you the pattern first, then I'm okay. For this, simple you do is right up, right prime, up prime, front prime, up prime, and front. Okay, this pattern, sorry, where is, okay, but you can see you have to make sure that same color should be on the top, means white, then you can follow this pattern. Okay, so if you want to make this white on top, you have to simply move to this side, and follow the pattern, follow this pattern, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime, up prime, and front. You can see this this white side is on the top, white. Now you move to this here. Okay, follow the pattern, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime, up prime, front. So you can see this layer is solved. Similarly, follow this similar formula for another all layer. Means this side we need here orange and white. Okay, orange, we need here orange, so move to this side, then follow this pattern, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime, up prime. Okay, you can see this pattern is on the top now, orange, white. Okay, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime, up prime, and we got this here. Now follow the same pattern for here also. We need here yellow and orange, yellow orange is here. First of all, I have to move this on top. For that you have to follow similar pattern. Which one is this? Right up, right prime, up prime, front prime, up prime, and front. So this one is on the top. Okay, yellow, same color, follow the pattern, and you have done this. Similarly for this, red, not same color, move to this side and this side, and follow the pattern, right up. And this one is red, and follow the pattern. Okay, we have solved this layer, second layer also. Okay, we have solved this second layer. Good, second layer, and we have to now solve this upper layer. Okay, now if you find this situation, in this situation, and you want to move this to on the top and this to on the top, then you have to follow the pattern rule. Let me write rule for you. Rule simply said, fourth, front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. Okay, make sure this green is on the center part, then you will follow this rule. Okay, if not, then you can't follow this rule. Okay, for example, this is on the center, then follow the rule. Front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front. You can see you have to follow this rule. Front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front. I am doing fast. You can make this video slow. There is a setting in YouTube. You can make this video slower. Okay, center part, same rule. Front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front. Front, right, up, right prime, front. Okay, front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front. Okay, now you can see all these center part of this side is up, up, up. There is no color, means green color on center part. If there were means if there is a green color on this side, you have to follow this rule, means which I am following. This one, front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front prime. Okay, you can see you have this pattern. Now you have to follow this rule. Okay, if you have same color like this, for example green, 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 follow this rule. And if you have this, follow this pattern. If you have this, follow this pattern. Simply this means you don't if you have this green on this side, you have to follow this formula to put this green on the top, means this color on the top. I don't have, so this is a different pattern. So you can see this is this pattern, same color, same color, same color, same color. You have to follow this rule. Okay, you have to follow this rule until you got this pattern, plus pattern, means you have to make plus, you have to make plus. Okay, let's put it aside, or let me follow the rule. Okay, right, up, right prime, up, right, up, right prime. Okay, I simply got this plus sign. If you don't got this plus sign, you simply follow means follow this pattern and repeat and repeat until you got this plus sign. Okay, now I got this plus sign. Okay, now I simply have to make sure which pattern I am, which is this pattern. Okay, this is this pattern. You can see green, 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 green. Okay, I will have to follow this rule. If I am doing this rule twice, then there will be green, all green in this side. Okay, if you find this situation, green, green, and this one is here and this one is here, so you have to follow another one rule. Let me write for you. A rule set. If you have this rule set, front twice, right, up, right prime, up prime, front prime twice. Okay, after that you have to follow front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front prime. Okay, first you have to, if you got this one, this pattern plus and green side on here, then you have to follow this pattern. Okay, got it? Means front twice means you have to move twice, means 2 layers. Okay, make sure you have this side on, means green side on here, and then you have to follow from here rule. If you follow this rule from here, you will got wrong result. You have to simply follow rule from here, green 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 here. If you have this one also, you have to make sure green green is this side, and this green is here, then you follow this pattern from here. If you follow this pattern from here, you will follow you got wrong result. Okay, so I have this pattern. I'm simply follow this rule twice. Okay, make sure I'm giving you warning over and over again, because this is necessary. You need green this side. If you follow pattern from here, this pattern from here, you will get a wrong result. Okay, let's begin this rule twice, because I have this one. If I got this one, then I will follow this rule. First this and then this. Okay, right up, right prime, up, right up and right prime. Okay, again right up, right prime, up, right up and right prime. Okay, you can see this pattern is solved. Congratulations. Okay, I got some good result here. This pattern also solved, and this situation is good. Now you have to simply follow a last rule. If you don't got this means this pattern like this, same color, and this one, then you have to follow another rule. Where is, okay, I got this result. Okay, and this one, so I will simply follow the rule R up, R up, R prime, up prime, R prime, up prime, R prime, up and R prime. Okay, if I follow this rule, and I will solve this cube. Okay, if I don't got this means this if I don't got this result, then for example this one is yellow, white, and this is orange, so I have to simply follow the another rule to make sure this is same color. Another rules, let me tell you: R prime up, R prime down twice, R up prime, R prime down twice, and R twice. Okay, now I will follow this rule. Make sure this side is on the back, and this situation. Okay, let's follow this rule. R, right up, right prime, up prime, right prime, up prime, right prime, up and right prime. Okay, here we go, we got the same result. Okay, I have got this result. That's all in this video. In next video I am going to show you some another tricks. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.